Hi there, my name is Caroline and you're watching Carol and Glory YouTube channel. And on this episode, I'm going to teach you how to make a very easy dinner for your family. Stay tuned, subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Let's get started. So someone wrote to me that they would like to learn how to make drumsticks for a healthy dinner meal. So this is Stacy, this one is for you. So guys, what you need for this recipe, just a number of ingredients: a zucchini, an eggplant, of course you need your drumsticks, some oil, some spring onions, some green onions, some parsley, some 5 cloves of garlic, carrots, of course, some white onions, some tomato, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We have some 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, for flavor, some salt, black pepper, some chicken curry powder, some paprika, but you can use any other spice you have in the house and your meal will be just so tasty. I know we have a number of ingredients because it's so tasty. It's a healthy meal. That's why there's a lot of vegetables. I love carrots, I love eggplants, I like zucchini. The first thing we're going to do is marinate our drumsticks. So what I like to do is just cut them so that when I marinate, everything can get inside, like that. The next thing is you put some oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to put our tomato paste. We're going to put our salt and some black pepper. Gonna mix this up. We're gonna put also some curry powder. Gonna mix this up. To help it mix more, we're gonna put some hot water. I'm going to put hot water in it. So this is what we are going to use to marinate our chicken. So we'll put this to the, you can come see, come deep inside to make sure it tastes so good. Gonna turn this. Use your hands to make sure you massage everything in. Make sure it's in. So you're gonna put this in the fridge and let it marinate for 1 hour. So as your chicken is marinating, we're gonna work on our vegetables. So I've already peeled my potatoes. So what I'll just do is cut them into cubes like that. They don't have to be so big and so small, just cubed potatoes like that. So we're done with our potatoes. We have our baking tray. So we're gonna put our potatoes in. gonna put our carrots. I'm going to put our green onions. Go. The next thing we're going to do is put our cloves, and right now our chicken has been marinating for 1 hour. We're gonna put it out and put it on top of here. So it has marinated, you can see, for 1 hour. Just put them on top. On this, we're going to put some water. So for the soup, we're gonna add a half cup of hot water on it, and then we're going to do some soy sauce on it. Gonna mix this up. Then we're going to pour the mixture on this. We're going to let this cook in the oven for 50 minutes. At 180 degrees, up to 180. Just like that. It's done. First is our carrots. Let them cook for around 4 minutes. Cover that. So to spice it up, we're going to put a bit of garlic. So you mince your garlic. Just put a bit of garlic. There you go. Makes it taste so good. A bit of garlic for your food. Going to put our eggplant. It's a very delicious dinner and very healthy. It's full of vegetables. Let that cook for a minute. So the next thing we're going to put the zucchini. So we're gonna put our spices, some paprika, some black pepper and salt. Make sure all of them are covered. Give them a bit of a mix. put in our tomatoes. Cover that for a minute. So you can have some tomato sauce and then you mix with some soy sauce. You're going to put in some hot water, just a bit. Some hot water. Then we're going to pour this on our stew. And let it cook for 20 minutes. Our stew on low. The stew looks so amazing. Look at that, guys. So good. It is so good. It looks amazing. Look at that. It's time to check our chicken. Yes. Wow, look at that. Finally, so golden, amazing. Look at that. Your chicken all done. It's a family feast. So what you do, you can add in some cheese on top, just to have that sweetness addition. Some cheese on top. Put as much as you want. Some cheese. We're going to put some danias, just to make sure it's all green. Yes, and of course some green onions. Enjoy that home cooking. Dinner is served. Dinner is served. Amazing. Look at that. Looks so good. So good. Wow. And our stew, vegetable stew, all done. Super cooked. It looks so good. So we're gonna serve this. Finally, our healthy dinner meal is served. There you go. Gonna put in some stew. So good. So good. Look at that. Looks amazing. Gonna put in our chicken and potatoes. So healthy. Some cheese. That amazing. Can even have two. Yeah, look at that. Tasting time as usual. Can have more potato. Look at that. So crispy. I love it. Tastes so good. I'm gonna cut the crispy chicken. You can see how it's so soft. Look at that. So soft and so crispy on the outside. I'm gonna have a taste on the stew. Guys, this is my favorite. You know how I love stews. So what I can say, guys, truly amazing, so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Follow it step by step, and in case you have a question, don't forget to comment down below, and I'll definitely reach out to you and help you through. And don't forget to subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes. See you next time. Bye bye.